Powerful. Equipped with a high-speed 300-watt motor, it quickly and seamlessly blends ingredients together to make delicious and healthy smoothies, pureed soups, marinades, sauces, juices, and much more. Adjustable speed. It comes equipped with a pulse-activated sensor with 2 blending speeds from low to high to whip up the perfect texture and consistency with just one touch. Sleek ergonomic. It's built with a sleek, ergonomically designed motor housing body with a non-slip and easy-to-grip handle that gives you comfortable and sturdy control over the blender. Heavy-duty compact. Its slim stick immersion shaft is made of food-grade stainless steel and was carefully designed to fit almost all mixing bowls, pots, and beakers for your daily needs. Super easy to clean. The shaft is dishwasher safe and the body can easily be cleaned by wiping with a soft damp cloth. These parts come apart and come back together with ease. US-based customer service lets you buy with confidence. Ovente warranties that the product shall be free from defects in material and workmanship under normal use and conditions, for 1 year from the original purchase date. Top reviews from the United States. Blend me up, Scotty. Wow, what power and how easy it is to clean. It comes apart for easy cleaning. I used it to blend an egg mixture to make deviled eggs. I had absolutely no lumps. I use this for cake mix and stuff like that. It is a must-have in my kitchen. So happy I bought this one.